We're going to do a brief video on Tesla stock, TSLA, Tesla stock analysis. We've got a daily chart here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Tesla's up today 4%, about 4 1/3% on 33 million shares out of 73 million on an average day, and it's up $9 to trading currently at about $220.40. Let's take a quick look at Tesla. A rally was not unexpected in Tesla. This is a pretty good rally. Tesla was a little oversold, and it's almost already corrected that oversold condition. In a minute, I'll show you some algorithmically generated prices for Tesla, but right this second, from a technical perspective, Tesla's obviously still in a bear market. It's below the 200, it's below the 20. It's up slightly above right now the 5-day moving average. So Tesla's still in a bear market, and this point right here, this $230 point right here is where Tesla, really about 227, is where Tesla would have to get to bounce off of the 20-day moving average, and it's not anywhere near it. Now, it really doesn't make a whole lot of difference if it gets close to it. Its main support is right here, or excuse me, resistance is this 229. So it would have to get above 229 and break through this 20-day moving average before you get excited about it moving up any higher significantly. In other words, calling the October 24th $198 bottom an absolute bottom. You really, that's a stretch. So we're getting some short covering, we're getting some people buying the cheap stock and pushing it up, but I don't see a whole lot of reason to be hugely excited about Tesla right this second in terms of it rallying above and getting back up to the 245 to 250 level. Now, what could change that? Well, if we get a decline back here, which I'm expecting, if we get a decline back here, say to the 210 to the 208 level, maybe even 207, picked up some support, rallied again in the early part of November, and put this 5-day and 20-day underneath the price, then we could start to move up here to the 250 level on Tesla. I'm not predicting that, but I'm just saying you need to technically move this stock across, down, across, then back up, and seesaw your way back up and get and close above the 20-day moving average before you can begin to even think about Tesla having a chance to move up here and get out of its bear market. So I'm expecting to see a decline in this stock, a little decline, maybe not today, but probably tomorrow, the next day, down to around the 206, 207 level. So let's take a look and see what RBAM research says about it. We have 190 algorithmically generated prices for 190 stocks, or more than 190 prices, but cover over 190 stocks. Tesla today is zeros across the board, which means it didn't think it was a good day to buy Tesla, so it got that wrong. We have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods normally, but nothing for Tesla today. You can see General Electric's got some prices down here. Let's go down and take a look at our trend following system for Tesla. It's a 30-day hold. Assuming your own analysis is a good idea, get in today, get out at the end of 30 days at a loss, or take your profits sooner if you get them. You can see here Tesla TSLA is showing a short at $213.50 today. Of course, entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk. Can't use these for anything other than entertainment. But it is showing a short at $213.50, which is consistent with my analysis that I think this stock's going to drop. And the algorithms, of course, are independent of my analysis, but let's take a look. So $213.50. So that's been hit. So that's live. It's underwater right now. It's currently trading about $218.93. So again, my forecast is this stock's going to drop, and we'll see what happens. But my opinion for entertainment purposes only. But in general, it's as I described: a drop, across, and then if we can get these moving averages under the price, maybe a significant rally in Tesla. We'll have to see, but I'm not forecasting that. I don't think that's going to happen, but that's what would have to happen to get a rally in Tesla. So you can get access to all of our entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely free, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below. You just head over to RBAM Research, sign up with your email address, and get instant free access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all out by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. We'd love to hear a comment from you in the comment section below. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices and commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You definitely trade at your own risk, and of course, you always should do your own analysis.